Hey guys, and welcome back to SvenDesigns video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cartoon profile picture in 2019. So last time I did a girl, so I thought this time I would choose a guy. I'm going to go ahead and start by clicking File and New here. I'm going to make my file, which is 920 by 1080 and 300 resolution. And actually going to import the guy. So let's see, I have the picture right here. There we go, and actually want it to be bigger because I want to focus more on the upper body. Okay, this is fine. Then I can go ahead and do like this. There we go. Just gonna place it a little bit like this. And there we go. And actually what we're gonna do now, we're gonna use the main tool here, which is the pen tool. And you want to be sure that this is on shape, so that it will actually create a shape. So then I'm gonna go ahead and click some dots and just do the t-shirt in this case. And I already had selected the color black, so that's good to start off. And what I'm actually doing now is just simply go by his shirt and just be sure that it is it takes all of it. And just be sure you don't want it to be too detailed. Like anything that is cartoonish, it is it's pretty simple. It's better that if it's really simple than if it's like really detailed. There you go. As you can see, I go around the neck here, put it up here until here, and now I'm just gonna skip this because, like I said, these details don't matter. So I'm gonna skip this. But yeah, I'll just finish the shirt quickly and I will get back to you guys. Okay, so there we go, we have the shirt. As you can see, you can click like this. The shirt is already there. It's not bad, it looks good actually. So now going to the second most important part, which will be his skin, and then we will do the head and the hair. So for his skin, I'm just gonna go ahead and make a quick thing here so that I can choose the color because it's still black. We're not too bright, not too dark. Let's see. There we go, that should be good. And just go ahead, and I'm going next to the sleeves here because it's gonna place it underneath anyway. It's just to be secure and it helps. So there you go. I'm just gonna place the shape under the shirt because that's how it fits better. Same way this, gonna make the arm here. As you can see, I'm gonna go next to the shirt here. Not gonna do difficult, it's pretty easy. There we go. I just finished another one. So now we finished the arms, as you can see. I'm just gonna go ahead and do his face here and his neck. It's really the same essential thing, guys. Going around the sleeves, be sure that I have enough space to be secure. And yeah, basically doing this. So I'm gonna go a little bit more in detail now, so I'm gonna speed it up a little bit and I'll see you guys back. So guys, I just finished the face. It's not the best, but don't worry, I'll make it sure it's better afterwards. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the hair now. I'm gonna go and make a little shape again to decide the color, which has to be in this kind. He has kind of blonde, dark blonde hair, so I'm gonna have to see what that will be. That's too much like skin color. That's good for the moment, I guess. Yeah, that's fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. So I just place it underneath the face to make it look good. Just gonna do the other side here, same idea. And as you can see, it's starting to become something. I'm just gonna do this part here quickly, and then I'm gonna do his head, which is gonna be a little different. So there we go for the middle part. Gonna make sure it's the same color as the other hair. There we go. Okay, so now I can actually go ahead and finish it with the head. So that's gonna be black, of course, something like this. There we go. Gonna place this underneath. And then the other one is a little bit hidden here, but there's a little piece here, and I kind of want to get that. So now the head itself is gonna start right here, and actually gonna have to go through the middle. So don't be scared to put it behind here. Same idea. And now I have to be sure I follow the shape of the head. There we go. Alright, there we go, the first part is done. And I'm actually gonna start for the second part, and I'm gonna start here. Same idea. Gonna place it up like this. There we go. Going down here. So it's around here, but I can cheat like this. There we go. I'm just going to change it up a little bit here to make it round, so that it looks better. You may have to do a little adjustments, but it's not a lot. I'm actually going to go and do path now. And I'll make this like round, something like this. And be sure it's like this, for example. And then just like this, doesn't matter. I'm going to go ahead and do selection. I'm going to be sure that the head part is selected. I'm going to do rasterize layer. So click delete. I'm going to go to the other one, rasterize layer, and also delete. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to remove the background image. You're going to see how it looks. As you can see, it looks not bad. It looks not bad at all. As you can see, there are some little arrows like up here. For some reason, it didn't take as much as I thought. So I can just fix it by putting the head a little bit down, for example, like this. But yeah, there we go, guys. It could have been better. It's not the most perfect one, but it's definitely gonna give you an idea on how you can do it. As you can see, a good example is the black t-shirt. Keep it simple and it will look better. Don't mind the details. Also, you can see down here there's a little bit of black missing. I'll just fix that. But anyway, this, guys, really is the idea how to get it, your cartoon profile picture. In any case, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please leave a like, would be really nice. Subscribe would also be really nice. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.